This particular plane that's circling my house has absolutely no sound to it. So it tells me it's stealth technology. It's part of the military industrial complex. And also I can see the moon simulator. I can see the rays of light, false light, that are hitting my phone. So what they're doing is they're listening to my conversation while I record this, and recording this stealth machine above my house. Because this is all, the Illuminati. This is the crew, man. This is a moon simulator. This is the Illuminati spying on my ass. Because they got nothing better to do. I was just moving my chair. So I'm gonna just sit here and chit chat with y'all. Yeah. So the moon simulator has these rays of light that come down and they hit your head, your brain, your body. It's a directed energy weapon. And it is coming from, NASA. So they have a sun simulator, a moon simulator. So we have 2 suns, 2 moons. This is, of course, the real moon that we all supposedly know, that was stolen from a place I think called Chautau or somewhere, I don't know. And then every now and then when the Illuminati are pissed off at me, they'll just put their moon simulator up here late at night, and then they'll just cook me at night with directed energy weapons. So that's how they're doing it. It's these rays of light. It's all ELF, Tesla technology, whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and the Illuminati are copper-based DNA, and, they have all the genetics on the planet. And if you have the genetics on the planet, you can come and, harass people. And they're Jewish, and they violate so many of their own principal laws. 10 Commandments, Geneva Convention, all sorts of stuff. But this thing right here, this airplane, it's making absolutely no sound. So it's very stealthy. So it's just going around and around, whatever. Because it's from the Illuminati. Looks like a TR-3B. It could be because it's got a pyramid. Yeah, it's probably a TR-3B, I think. I don't know. They don't like me too much, so that's okay. It's not like I'm running for president. But yeah, the moon, this thing here, is just sending directed energy weapons shit to me. It's totally fake, people. Because you know how you can tell? All you gotta do is just go outside and just use your senses, is the light around your neighborhood, is it consistent? Yeah, well, blah, blah, blah. Hi guys, hi. Comes again. Yeah, this thing just goes around and around and around. I'm sure it's on autopilot. I don't think they're paying anybody to fly it. It's on the AI system. I'm so sure of it. Here's the cops. This came out of nowhere. So like your local fusion centers, your cops and stuff, they're part of the Swiss Templar stuff. They're the ones that are probably tracking and tracing all the TIs. See? So this is your local, this is DHS, Jadeham, your local cops, right? Harassing you, pretending to be like, you know, they're looking for somebody, when I know that they're looking for me. Hi, Swissy. How you guys doing? Hi, guys. Kissy, kissy. There goes the cops. This is the cops right here. That's the cops. The cops AI system. Say hi, Mr. Ossifer. I also have another one that might blow your mind. Have you ever thought that maybe like some of the cops like are part of the like Swiss Templars and stuff? So So like they invented all this Tesla technology, and then like they've been doing the mind control games. And then if like it's interesting because like I was watching this episode in Mad Men when one of the artists was saying like he's getting sick and tired of having them beam shit in his head. So they've been doing this stuff since the 30s, stuff like that. So Mr. Ossifer, DHS cops, they left. So that was all AI. That was AI that you saw. Yeah. So, yeah. Another thing that if you like go outside and you do look at the moon, and if like you see like double vision with it, you know that's the moon simulator. That's a big, you know, clue in. Like if you see double with them. Yeah. You know what? I think that this thing is actually AI. This thing that's flying above my head. I think it's AI. I think it's a hologram. It could be. It's probably a hologram, people. Wee, wee, wee. You know how you could tell if it's a hologram? It's probably because there's like this ring, like a ring around it. I think that this thing that's flying around my house is a hologram. Oh, excuse me. It's a hologram. Excuse me. Bling, bling, bling. And Mr. Sunlight right here, Mr. Artificial Sunlight, reflective light, indirect sunlight, is also a fake light. Compliments of NASA. Hi guys. How you doing, guys? And this is how they spy on you. One of the ways. So this tells me that they are definitely creating an artificial planet. Yep, I have a feeling this is our hologram. This is holographic, this airplane thing. Holographics. And then I have more company from the police. Yep, here they are. This is the police and their holographic helicopter. Hi guys, I'm over here. Hi. Woohoo. It's Mr. Ostifer. He's my friend. Bye. Mr. Hologram Police. So, ladies and gentlemen, they are using holograms. See, that's a holographic helicopter. Yay! The first to report to you. They should just like do a UFO. Wouldn't that be something? Oh my gosh. I wonder if they would like do a UFO deal. Whee! Yeah, that is a hologram. So my hunches were like the whole thing in Venezuela. I saw this whole thing where they were using holograms. Not only that, they can use jump room technology where people can come in and out, and they can mess with the videos and stuff. Now I hear from Alex Jones, he did a report how like they can take a video of yours and they can hack it up, delete and insert things in your video and stuff. It's a crime. It's plagiarism. And then they expect students to go to school and not plagiarize. Ha ha ha. Well, I only have a minute left, so have a good one.